Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to transfer Dito load balance to GCash. Can you transfer your Dito load balance to GCash? Unfortunately, the answer is no. Dito load is locked to telco services like calls, text, and data. It can't be transferred or converted directly to GCash. Unlike before, when some networks had load to GCash option, Dito's app doesn't support this feature. However, you can still use GCash to buy Dito load by selecting Dito as your provider in the GCash app. GCash to buy Dito load by selecting Dito as your provider in the GCash app, choosing the amount, and paying directly. But remember, this only works one way, from GCash to Dito. If you want to convert your Dito load into GCash, your best bet is offering it to friends or family in exchange for GCash funds. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.